All right, guys, welcome to day 2 of my TikTok Shop affiliate journey. So if you are interested in TikTok Shop and you want to follow along, I'm going to be documenting every single day for the next 30 days of what I am doing to make money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, today, because I don't yet have a product to actually create content around, today was a big planning day. So I watched a couple YouTube videos. I'm also in a course that teaches you TikTok Shop affiliate, how to set up your business and what products and everything. And then I mapped out a bunch of content ideas. I saved a bunch of videos that I thought would be a good idea to kind of recreate. And then I looked at a bunch of products. So the only downside right now with being a TikTok Shop affiliate is that when you order something from TikTok Shop, it might take a week to get delivered. So what I did, because I want to expedite this process, and be able to actually make as much money as possible in 30 days, I ended up finding the exact item on Amazon, which is what you can do as well if you're starting your journey and you don't want to wait a week for a product to get in. Just go on Amazon and make sure it's the same one that you see or that you plan on promoting in TikTok Shop. So that's what I did. I got it on Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime, so it should be here by tomorrow, and I can go ahead and start creating content, right? So if you're unfamiliar with TikTok Shop or what it means to be a TikTok Shop affiliate, basically as an affiliate, you get paid a commission on certain products that you promote. So what this can look like is you create a product review, or you're showcasing a certain product, that has basically gone viral on TikTok Shop, meaning it has a lot of people buying it. It's got plenty in stock, things like that. So, and that's where your product research comes in beforehand. But once you decide on a product, you create content around that product, and you push out maybe a video every couple days or so. And basically what happens is if people are interested in that product, or if it goes viral enough, then people are going to buy. And if they buy through your link from seeing your video, then you earn a commission. Now, it might seem like you're not able to earn a lot of money. And again, this is only day 2. I haven't actually, posted anything or made any money from TikTok Shop affiliate program yet, right? But, a lot of people out there, a lot of creators, a lot of shop affiliates are making really good money, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month. Even a couple are making $100,000 a month. Now, obviously, I don't plan on hitting that $100,000 mark right out the gate. But at the same time, I've been doing some research and kind of have good ideas as far as what's working and what's not and what products to promote. So I think that I'm going to have a pretty good grasp on this, and I have no problem creating content. You can do it like faceless, where people see you, or you can do, faceless, meaning they don't see you, or you can do like your it's actually you on screen reviewing a product. So if you're worried about your face being on camera, there are tons of ways to get around that with a TikTok Shop affiliate account, right? So let me go ahead and walk you through what I did to kind of prepare. So I went ahead and I set up a separate TikTok account, a business account, to bypass the 5,000 follower threshold that TikTok requires. A business account allows you to be a shop affiliate without hitting that 5,000 follower mark. So that's your way around that. And then I also signed up for the TikTok Shop account. And then basically you just go on TikTok Shop and you log in and you scan a little QR code, and it will connect your TikTok Shop with your TikTok account that you created. Okay. So that's how you get them connected. And then after that, while you're, let's say you've reviewed some, or you've looked at some products and you know what you're going to promote, while you're waiting for that to get in the mail, I would suggest doing some research on different like ad copy, what to say in your ads and your promotions, to really hit the ground running. So instead of trying to figure it out as you go along, you already know once the product comes, you know what type of content you're going to create and post, and you're able to do that really efficiently and hopefully get a couple videos post-worthy or out there in the first couple days. So that is my goal. Like I said, I already have a bunch of kind of content and product videos mapped out. I'm currently just waiting on my item to get here. This is going to be my first item to promote. And then I have a couple other items that I ordered from TikTok Shop, not on Amazon. So those will be here in probably a matter of days or a week or so. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. And like I said, this is brand new for me. If you're someone who's interested in being a TikTok Shop affiliate, if you're curious how much money you can make, feel free to subscribe and follow along my journey. I'm going to be super transparent about everything I'm doing, what's working, what's not working, and how much money that the regular, average, everyday person can actually make from this, okay? So go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I will see you tomorrow for a day 3 update.